Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. It's a double-edged sword, which means something that has advantages and disadvantages simultaneously. Memorize then practice. As an exercise, having a high-paying job requires long working hours. It's a double-edged sword. The pot calling the kettle black. The definition is someone blames someone else for something they also did. As an exercise, he accused me of being lazy, but that's the pot calling the kettle black because he's always procrastinating. All's fair in love and war, which means in love and war, everything is considered legal or permissible. As for example our practice, he used some sneaky tactics to win her over. Well, all's fair in love and war. Next, you can't have it both ways, which means you cannot choose two opposites or benefit from both opposites. For example, you want to travel the world and save money at the same time. Sorry, but you can't have it both ways. Have fun practicing. The next vocabulary is, the proof of the pudding is in the eating, which means the quality of something must be tested or tested before it can be ascertained. Make sure you understand what it means. As an exercise, he claims to be a great chef, but the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Let's taste his cooking. Please practice. Next, to each his own. To each his own means, everyone has different preferences, opinions or decisions. As an exercise, I don't understand why he likes that music genre, but to each his own. You reap what you sow. It means, you will get the consequences of your actions. For example, if you work hard and put in the effort, you will succeed. You reap what you sow. Next, the road to hell is paved with good intentions, which means good intentions alone are not enough. It is important to follow with appropriate actions. For example, he meant well, but his actions caused more harm than good. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. The next vocabulary. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. It means, when the situation is difficult, people who are strong and persistent will keep going. As an exercise, despite facing numerous challenges, she didn't give up. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. You can make your own example. All that glitters is not gold, which means not everything that looks awesome or promising is good or valuable. As an exercise, he may have a luxurious lifestyle, but all that glitters is not gold. He faces his own set of problems and insecurities. Hindsight is 20/20, which means, in looking back, we tend to see and understand things more clearly or with a better perspective. For example, now I realize I should have invested in that company. Hindsight is 20/20. The last one. The squeaky wheels gets the grease, which means people who are loud or who complain get attention or help more often. Example. If you want your complaint to be addressed, you need to speak up. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. Have fun practicing. Thank you for watching. Do you want additional knowledge about vocabulary? Please subscribe, like, comment and share so you don't miss the next video to be uploaded. See you soon.